Good morning, sir. My name is R. Suman. I am studying Junior Intermediate Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College, Chinnatekur. Today I am telling about for this project. My project name is Rain Safe Smart Clothes Hanger. I used some components for this project. First, I used Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno, it main control for this project, and also rain sensor. It detects rain, and also servo motor to pull the harder cloths, and LED display it is raining or not. And first and all the aim of the project, this project, so many people faced this problem, so I invent this project to useful to many people. And also my friend is to explain for this project.
Good morning, sir. I am Ketushan. I am studying Junior Inter at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Residential College at Chinnatekur in Kurnool. I am explain how it works. The rain sensor is used on the clothes hanger that automatically monitor for rain. When the sensor detects a raindrop, it shows signals to Arduino board. Arduino board sends signal to rain servo motor. Servo motor pull the cloths in safe side. When rain is completed, servo motor again pull the sunlight. It detects LED shows it is raining or it is not raining. In real world applications, the project can be beneficially for household is area with the automatically weather in helps. It helps. Problems can faced by many peoples. It is used many types. In our house, many women are washer clothes. Again and again wash it is not using, and it not forms the bacteria. When rain is completed, the servo motor is again pull the cloths in outside. In conclusion, the rain of smart clothes hanger is a particularly partial solution for a common problems faced by many households. It combines technologies for with everyday and tasks for proving convenience and efficiency in managing many types. Thank you for your attention. I am happy.